What's good, everyone? Need to check clearances. Reverse a door swing? Create dynamic presentations? ML Doors gives you two powerful tools: door animation for smooth, realistic movement, and swap opening for instant direction changes. Let's explore. We've got a model with multiple doors already placed. Let's start with the swap door opening tool, the fastest way to reverse a door's swing direction when you realize it opens the wrong way. The swap tool works in dual mode. First, use the select tool to pre-select multiple doors you want to swap. I'll select 3 doors. Now click the swap door opening icon on the toolbar. Boom. All 3 doors swap instantly, hinges flip to the opposite side, handles switch sides, everything mirrors horizontally in one action. Perfect for batch corrections. The tool stays active in interactive mode. Now you can hover over any other door, you'll see a blue outline preview showing which door will be affected. Click, and that door instantly mirrors horizontally. The hinge side swaps to the opposite corner, reversing the swing direction. No dialogue, no confirmation, just an immediate, clean reversal. The tool stays active so you can keep swapping. Watch, I'll swap 3 more doors in just seconds. Single doors, double doors, it works universally. This dual mode is incredibly efficient for fixing design mistakes or client changes. It even works with sliding doors. Hover, click, and the door's slide direction reverses. Instead of sliding left to right, it now slides right to left. The track system adjusts automatically. Press space to exit the tool when you're done. That's the swap opening tool batch mode for multiple doors, then interactive mode for clicking individual doors. Fast and powerful. Now let's bring your model to life with the open-close door tool. This tool has the same dual mode workflow, batch animation for multiple doors, then interactive mode for clicking individual doors. Let me show you both. First, batch mode. Use the standard SketchUp select tool to pre-select multiple doors. I'll select 4 doors across the floor plan. Now with those doors still selected, click the open-close door icon. Watch, all 4 doors animate open at the same time. Smooth, realistic motion. The animation is fast enough to be snappy but slow enough to be elegant. This is perfect for client presentation. The animation completes, and all doors are now open. Notice the tool is still active, the cursor is the door icon. This means we've entered interactive mode, where you can click individual doors to toggle them open and close. Here's a practical example. Checking clearances. This bathroom door opens into the room. There's a vanity right next to it. Does the door hit the vanity? Let's find out. Animate the door open. It clears the vanity, but just barely. If that vanity were 5 centimeters wider, we'd have a collision. This is exactly the kind of check you need to do in the design phase, and the animation makes it instantly visible. Press space to exit the tool. Note that the door states are saved persistently. If you close and reopen the model, doors remember whether they were open or closed. That's useful for maintaining presentation views. Both tools use the same dual mode workflow. The swap opening tool instantly reverses door swing batch swap pre-selected doors, then click individual doors. The open-close door tool gives you smooth, realistic animations, batch animate pre-selected doors, then toggle individual doors interactively. Next up, the final tool in the series, the Schedule Data Manager. We'll show you how to generate professional door schedules, manage project pricing, and export reports. Hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.